Hi, my name is Gurjit Pandher. I'm a senior attorney here at the Nieves law firm. I'm here to talk to you today about what parents can expect during their child's Title IX investigation. Generally speaking, the Department of Education has a Title IX procedure. A lot of schools adopt that procedure and/or incorporate that procedure in their own policies and procedures. Those policies and procedures can be found on most websites for the school district or the college or the university or whomever may be instituting that particular procedure. What generally happens is that an individual, a complainant, will make a complaint to the Title IX office. The Title IX office then has, according to that procedure, certain deadlines that it has to meet. If you get a notice of allegations, meaning that they have got a complaint, they've investigated that complaint, believe that there is some basis to that complaint, they will mail you or email you what's called the notice of allegations, and then we'll send you a copy of the policy with it. And reading that policy is really, really important to know what your rights are and to know what to do, when to do it, and how to do it. After the notice of allegations, an investigator will be appointed by the school district or the college. That investigator will interview the complainant, will interview your child, will interview any other witnesses that are brought forward. Eventually will develop what's called a preliminary investigation report, and you will have an opportunity to respond to that report. And there's many different iterations depending on how much back and forth there is. And ultimately, the investigation report's going to either recommend some sort of formal hearing or recommend that the complaint not go forward. If you go to the formal hearing, then you'll have an independent arbiter, sometimes a panel, sometimes an individual, to decide whether or not there is teeth to that particular claim. If there is misconduct found, then sanctions are employed after the hearing. The sanctions can be suspension, expulsion, or some sort of treatment, community service, etc. There's also an informal resolution process. So a lot of times they can say that before we go to the formal hearing, why don't we resolve it this way? So there's many different avenues. The policy is really important. Obviously, in these situations, there's also going to be a court of public opinion. Right? What we've been discussing so far is what happens with the school. You could have an administrative process through the schools and have a legal process through the courts. So just don't talk. It's not worth it. You will have plenty of time after the fact. Unfortunately, rumors are going to fly, especially in the smaller school communities. But you can't prevent that now, and quite frankly, you may be shooting yourself in the foot by going out there and telling everybody your story. So just don't talk about it. Keep it to yourself. Tell your attorney, give us a call, we can help you out.